I'm very pleased to introduce Milan Tufte. She's the state health officer. She's been a great champion for suicide prevention in North Dakota, and she's really helped bring this all together, and she'll share some other neat things that have happened in the last 2 years since she started. Thank you, Milan. With that, I'm gonna...
Good morning. I can't believe it's been 2 years that I've been the state health officer. It's with gratitude that I stand before you today, and I want to thank the coalition members that are here. Also, 3 affiliated tribes and Four Bears Casino for their sponsorship today. And Allison, your comments about taking care of yourself. I am, today I'm going to be leaving around 10:45 because I have my son who is heading to the orthodontist, so I'll be okay when we walk out the door. I'll give you the thumbs up. But I am a suicide survivor. My father, 5 years ago, had Alzheimer's and took his life. And so I'm personally committed to this coalition and this cause. So one of the things that we talk about from Team North Dakota, and I see my colleague, the Adjutant General, here today, for Team North Dakota and people that work for the state, are our values of gratitude, courage, curiosity, and humility. This drives to our purpose as we serve our citizens and the work that we do to empower people, improve lives, and inspire success. Some of the things that Allison was kind enough to let me highlight in our welcoming were the work that we've done together over the course of the last year, because it's been about a year since we met, right? In September, the governor was kind enough to host the Zero Suicide statewide meeting for our providers. The governor and our healthcare providers met to discuss statewide strategies to see how they also played a part and making a commitment to eliminating suicides within our state. Over 150 people were registered, and in this picture you see Allison and Darcy and Cindy Miller. And I think it was such a moving and powerful meeting that day. We're so fortunate to have the leadership of Dr. Donald Warren, and you'll hear from Prairie St. John's talk about the work that they're doing with the Zero Suicide program and the model that we are leading the state and the nation around suicide prevention. In September, Senator Heidi Heitkamp and other members from this coalition were able to meet together and sit and talk for the day around the Stop Suicide Summit. The level of energy, the number of people, and the excitement for that day coming together in a public and private coalition was great. So thank you for that work. In October, Blue Cross Blue Shield and the Caring Foundation provided funding to expand sources of strength to 15 additional schools in our state. That private-public work also mirrored out into our communities. 9 walks were held throughout the state. How many of you were able to participate in one of these walks? That's awesome. Beulah, Valley City, Williston, Dickinson, Rolette County, Minot, Devils Lake, here in Bismarck, Mandan, and Fargo-Moorhead. This community engagement has helped us to decrease the shame and stigma related to behavioral health and addiction. At Team North Dakota, we also celebrate our cultural aspirations. Being citizen-focused, Cora and Kennedy Jovic. Kennedy, can you stand up? They both Thank you. They both recorded videos for us, and you can find them if you haven't seen them already on Facebook. And we've heard from First Link and other testimonials that these videos have saved lives. As we work as one, we know that the tireless work and the advocacy of Dr. Kathy Eagle and the work that she's been doing at Elbowwood Memorial Center and her work around suicide prevention has made a difference. You'll hear from Nathan Griffin from law enforcement as he shares his success in peer-to-peer support. I hope you approach today with a growth mindset, and thank you so much for all the work that you do, and it really is making a difference.